everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Ushabala. Happy Christmas all of you. So today I'm gonna show you this Christmas special makeup look. So let's get start into the video. So first of all, I used this sunscreen lotion. This is from Lotus. After that sunscreen, I apply this Maybelline concealer on my under eye area and mouth around area, nose and eyelids, like so. So next I take this blender, beauty blender, and applying concealer for dabbing motions, like so. This is my Insta ID. You can follow on Insta for daily updates. So after that concealer, I use this Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder in the shade 222 and applying little bit, like so, for giving dabbing motions. So next I pick up this red color lipstick from Divine Color and applying on my lips. Okay, I used this lipstick also for eyeshadow because I don't have red color eyeshadow, so I want red color eyeshadow, so I used this for multi-purpose. After that applying, I blend with the help of the finger, like so. So next I used this eyeshadow palette. This is from Maybelline. I pick up this golden color with the brush and applying on my lower lids, like so. For giving a shimmery effect. So next I pick up this same golden shimmery color is from this eyeshadow palette and applying on my humidity area like so. So next kajal, this is from Plum and applying this kajal from my lower waterline and upper waterline and also eyeliner. So next I pick up again this eyeshadow palette. This is from Maybelline. I pick up this pink color, light pink color eyeshadow and applying my lower lids like so for synchronizing of my eyes. So next I pick up this white eyeshadow with my finger and highlighted on my eye corners like so. So next coming to the mascara, this is from Blue Heaven mascara and applying on my eyelashes like so, upper lashes and lower lashes also. And applying this mascara also on my brows like so for giving natural effect. That's it. So this is my today's Christmas Day special makeup look. I hope you are all enjoying to watch this video. Please give a like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye, I love you. Take care.